Hello everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to let you know, Redis. I am trying out a pure r3c client for Redis. r3c is the one that seems to work, kinda. I got it working in Mac, but it was a real bitch to set up in Linux, in the Ubuntu. So I followed all these instructions and did make, install, make, test. I got that working fine on my Mac environment, but for whatever reason I couldn't get it working. So here I am in the Redis. I got Redis running. It's a standalone, using the default port of 6379. Just a couple of tidbits here. You will need to do a git clone using this clone, and then git clone this address. And basically, I was able to get something running here. So I've got Redis running, as I said. So in here, if you go under, don't want that, I want the other terminal. Okay, so here we are in r3c, in Redis, just r3c, the directory. And when I do a make, I'm able to make this particular executable, I guess. And there's a couple of things you need to understand to get this working. So right there, it's wanting the command parameter. So if you go, let's say r/r3c_cmd lrange, and then what you want, IBM. Let's try another command here in Redis. Let's see if we can dump out all the Redis list keys, key values. There's this, I think it's key star. Yeah, so if I go key star, let's see what it spits out. This was really confusing me, but as you can see, if I do just a -1, it will try to find a key with IBM, but it couldn't find anything, so the count is 0. But let's just see if we can do something like this. C command not supported. Oh, keys not supported. Okay, let me just break this to see if it is communicating with the Redis or not. See, connection refused, connection refused. In other words, it can't communicate with Redis. So we are kind of got on a good sign. So there you go. So it is now communicating with Redis, which is good. Now apparently it doesn't like, let's try a ping. Should bring back Pong. Doesn't like command Pong. Oh, I see. This is the command from r3c. It doesn't like. Let's see what it can support. What kind of commands? Alrighty. Battery back in action. Alright, so what can we support here? Supports the command hosts. Let's try that. Now remember, this is our first real, or does it just want all uppercase? Now, before I forget, it was bitching that you need to create an environmental variable. So if I go echo hosts, see I've set the hosts for the environmental variable at this address. So it will accept list. See what I can. Redis list. What kind of commands will it? Data type. So we'll accept push. So let's try this. I'll push my list A. R3c cmd L push my list A. Let's see if it accepts that. Okay, so it accepts that. We'll do B and C. Why not? Finish it off. Okay, so it accepted that. So I'll push. So if I'm not mistaken, if I go L range, now if I go L range to list out, let's see if it will. L range. Just to see if it communicates the basics of Redis, that's all we care about. So here we have L range. Okay, so we'll do this one right here. L range. So my list. 0, 0. So there you go. 3 minus 2. So there you go. So it is communicating with Redis. That's good. So basically we're back in the game now with the r3c command. So I guess you could say after going through probably all of these clients for Redis, the only one that I got really working in Linux was this one, the r3c. And as you can see, it seems to be working okay using the r3c command as we've got here. So let me just try make test. Yeah, and it's got all these weird errors. I don't know what's going on with it. But all I care about is just to see the basics of Redis communicating within C++. So let me just try a couple more of these. So it's got expire, set, set x, get. Let me just try something here. Set exactly what I need to do. Set x, set my key hello. So r3c cmd set my key hello. Accepts it, and we can do get my key. Beautiful. So it looks like we got everything working. Hallelujah. In Ubuntu Linux.